Now, how to use AI therapy. Before we dive in deep, what is AI therapy? This is an AI tool you can chat as your personal therapist, which can help you come out of emotional problem or complex emotional terrain. The most sweet of it is listen and reply with compassionate guidance whenever you might need it. Also, every discussion you have with it is private. Here I will break it down using steps, so join me till the end to know everything about this AI tool. Now here, step 1, how to find AI therapy. Now here, go back here. Now here, what you do now is open your search engine here. You type this URL here on your search bar. Here you can see it here. Type this URL. You can see it on the screen. Now here, click on search on your keyboard here to search it. Now here, step 2, how to sign up in AI therapy. Now here, to sign up here, you can use any email you want here. Just any email you want, you can use it. Like, you can use your Google email, you can use your Apple email. Now here I will use my Google email, or you can just type your email on this search bar and follow the sign up process by clicking this arrow on here and follow the sign up process. Now here I will click on continue with Google in order to use my Google here, Google account. As you can see, it is opening. Now as you can see, it is loading. As you can see, we are in now. Here you can see the what the AI works on. Here you can see it. Now here, step 3, how each feature works. Here you can see this three line icon here. It is where you can find your manage subscription, ask for feedback, give a feedback, and also here you can go back by clicking on this cancel icon here. Also here you can see upgrade to premium. Now here on that section you can see message AI therapy. Now here, by clicking here, ask a question and AI will reply you as a therapist. Now here, step 4, here I'm going to test this AI tool with the most difficult question and know how it will reply it. Now here I'll ask it to, here let me type it and then explain. Now here is the question. I want to commit suicide because I have no reason to stay in the world again. No money, no investment, marriage problem, and most of all, I'm sick. Here you can see the question. Now let me send it by clicking this arrow icon here. Now I'm waiting for the reply. As you can see the reply. See the AI reply.
Speaks with gentle, serious compassion. Gentle shadow, I hear the profound pain you're experiencing right now. Your words reveal a deep sense of hopelessness, and I want you to know that your life has value, even when everything feels overwhelming. I'm genuinely concerned about your safety and want to listen carefully to understand your struggles. When you say you see no reason to stay in the world, it sounds like you're experiencing immense emotional and practical challenges.
You can see the reply, which you can pause to read and know how this AI is so good that it gives me the reason not to commit a suicide. Here you can see it. You see the reply. You can see the reply here. Here I will read the end. Would you be willing to share more about what happened so we can explore some supportive steps together? Here you can tell it more. You can give it more detail about. By discussing with this AI therapy, you will even forget what you want to do because it will help you more than a therapy itself. So also, in order to keep on chatting with the AI therapy, what you do is just click on this upgrade to premium. Here you can see the premium packages. Here you can see monthly package. You can see the plan. Now here you can see annual package, which is yearly package. You can see the plan here. You can subscribe and then keep on chatting or discussing with this AI therapy. So this AI is very good. I've tested it. As soon as I complete this tutorial, I will subscribe for the premium package because it gives me a reason and it guides me very well. So I will subscribe for the package. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.